guys, today I'm showing you how I make these little revision books out of flashcards. So these are the flashcards that I use, and you can get any size, but I prefer the larger ones. To start, take your washi tape and place a strip of it along the edge of the flashcard. And then you want to grab another one and line the edges up. Once you've done that, take your scissors and cut the excess tape off. If you don't have washi tape, you can always try using sticky tape. So here I'm just writing a title page for my book, and the topic I'm studying today is redox processes. Once you finish your title page, you can open your book and start writing your summary notes. Here I'm just writing the subtopic, which is oxidation and reduction. As you can see, I'm just repeating the same process with the tape to add more flashcards onto it. Once you're done with your notes, you can grab your tape again and seal up the edges. And there you have the finished product. Thanks so much for watching.